This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink an image to a phone number in Google Docs. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Google Docs. To hyperlink an image to a phone number in Google Docs, it's very easy to do. Say that I wanted to hyperlink this image right here to a phone number to make this image a clickable link. First thing you want to do is left click on the image to select it. I have the image selected, I have the bounding box around it. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the little chain icon. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Insert Link. I'm going to click on it. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, you want to use this formula right here. I'm going to type tell, colon, followed by the country area code, -1, and then the area code, followed by the 7-digit phone number. Then you go off to the right here, click on Apply. Now when I click on that image, you can see right down below here, it's hyperlinked to this telephone number right here. If I put my mouse cursor over that image to test it, I'm going to hold down the Alt key, and while holding down the Alt key, I'm going to hit the Enter key. It opens up my phone app, and the number that I hyperlinked is right here. It's ready to be called. That is how to hyperlink an image to a phone number in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.